Hi, my name is Elisha Bendele with Motorhome Specialist, and I'm here to talk about what's new for 2026 Dynamax Europas. Let's get started. New for 26 is the beautiful C9 blackout grille. This is not available in the 25s. It looks really, really great. Probably one of the best looking Super C front ends I've seen. Moving on to the side here, you've got the custom Alcoa aluminum rims with the beautiful blackout paint package. Next, we're going to take a look at these beautiful windows that are new for 2026. These are the square, frameless, dual pane windows with integrated day and night shades. We'll show you those day and night shades in a second. Really, really clean, high-end look that's usually only reserved for the highest end of diesel pushers. This Explorer Dark paint package is actually designed by Dean Laux. He is the person who designs and paints the Prevost Liberty coaches. Unbelievably talented artist. Dynamax is so proud to have him creating the paint jobs for their coaches, and they actually let him sign it here. It's an unbelievable partnership. The reason why this coach looks so good. This Europa is on the M2 chassis. That's a big deal. First, it has 360 horsepower, 800 foot-pounds of torque, so it's a beast, but also it tows 15,000 pounds. The even better thing about having a Super C on this chassis is that you can get service for your chassis at any Freightliner or Cummins dealership. That's a big deal. There are hundreds and hundreds of those around the country that you can get in and out for service very, very quickly. Massive feature. Let's check out the inside. Continuing what's new on the inside of the Europa, the 2026 Europa, we have a 10.1-inch infotainment center. This is all new, has wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto. Of course, you have the 4-camera setup right up here. Moving over here, you have an inside shot of these new shades for the 2026 Europa. You've got the night, day, and you can split them out like this so you can see outside. Really, really nice feature. Love how that looks. Panning over here, you've got the high-end luxury Thomas Paine theater seating furniture. Looks fantastic, and you better believe that is extremely comfortable. Now to the back of the unit. The Dynamax Europa, this is a 31SS, has built-in washer-dryer prep right here. For a 31-foot Super C, that's an impressive feature to have. 2026, they also upgraded the size of the TV. It is a couple inches bigger here in your bedroom. In the bathroom, this is brand new for 2026. You have a 30 by 36 size shower. This is massive. Also, I'm only about 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. You could definitely have someone that's 6'2" in here because you have the skylight right above. One of the biggest showers I've ever seen. The Dynamax Europa is the hottest Super C on the market right now. We have a great partnership with Dynamax. We'd love for you to check these out. We also are the #1 volume dealership in the world 12 years in a row. Call the number below or visit us on our website at MHSRV.com.